What?
You have an extra cooler.
Extra cooler.
Yeah, well, me and Russ and him can put our food in.
Because I get my food stamps tomorrow, so.
And we got our food stamps. So we need one, you know, we can kind of keep
Keep
our...
the varmints out.
Today must be y'all's day. Look what I found here.
Yes.
Brand new.
Hey,
Ain't
it's
never
on
been
rollers,
used.
yeah.
Even got wheels on it.
It will, yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Wait a minute, sit down there. Give you some ice to go in it. How can you beat that?
Damn. That big old...
Wait a minute. Put some of this on the bottom. Y'all like these?
What?
V8?
Yep.
Yeah, we'll drink the snot out of those.
Might as well load us up.
Put them on the bottom. Put them on the bottom. Just a second. Just a second.
I guess I'm the one who's going to be
Catch.
Mountain Dew, yes.
No, it ain't no Mountain Dew.
Oh, see.
Good stuff.
Catch.
There's something.
Catch. Catch.
One more.
One more. There we go.
Okay.
Okay.
Now.
Just load this up, ain't it?
How about that to cook on?
Yeah.
Yes, that'll work too. This is cooking us up. Yeah.
Hot going on that almost.
Hot.
Is that okay?
Yeah,
That'll work
work.
great.
Will that fit in that? Fit on that.
We can heat water up in that and drink it out here or whatever.
Yep, that'll fit.
Those I'll put in here.
Yeah, I need you to carry.
Easier to carry.
Yeah, no. We gotta get some ice in there.
Yeah,
That ice will get in there.
I know, I'm gonna get it.
That ice will get in there.
I'm telling you.
With the ice.
That's the ice.
Okay,
I'm
number
going to like 50 gazillion pounds.
well,
At least the water will be cold.
yep.
Well, we'll just have
White
to carry
cheddar.
it.
Top fuel. Right here. Everywhere work. You can see the bag.
Well, y'all are sharing down there, ain't you?
Oh yeah. Me and Robert. What?
It's good. I mean, it's good. Kids over Africa live there year round on that.
Yeah, right.
It's got all the nutrients and everything that you need. When you getting your food stamps this week?
Tomorrow.
What?
Tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
Well, you don't need that much now, do you? I'll be coming
Now
out
we
here.
need all you
I'll
got.
be coming out here to eat with you.
Probably.
I only get like $48, but it's alright.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
about it.
Other than that,
Most of them gets 200, but you know that's better than nothing.
They'll buy one meal.
Yeah.
okay, we got this. Put that in there. Okay, go.
Now, all right, bless y'all.
All right,
You got one more water. You gonna be able to get it? Y'all gonna need that water when you start cooking. Brother, thank you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you. Oh, we're off down to 12.
I'm gonna ask y'all say yes or no. Y'all gonna go to church with me in the morning?
I don't know what we're doing.
I'm going to Dan's church. You know what that is?
No.
I don't know if I'm...
Pastor Dan.
Yes.
Yeah, I know who you're talking about. That's fine.
Well, he invited me yesterday.
Good. Okay, see y'all.
Well, I can't go to Hope Church. He goes to St.
There they go. Off into the woods. Been doing this all day. This is my last place to go. That's on the way to home. Had a good day. Bless all.